Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion application, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the Notion application, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Notion download and press enter. Look for the official Notion website link and click on it. Once on the Notion homepage, locate the download button at the top right corner. Click on the download button. You will see options for different platforms. Choose the version that corresponds to your operating system, whether it is Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android. For desktop users, select the appropriate file and download it. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. For Windows users, double-click on the Notion setup file to begin installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. For Mac users, open the downloaded file and drag the Notion icon into your Applications folder. After the installation is complete, locate the Notion application in your Applications or Programs folder. Open the Notion app by double-clicking its icon. If it's your first time using Notion, you will be prompted to sign in or create an account. Enter your email address and follow the instructions to set up your account. Once signed in, you can start exploring the features of Notion. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available templates. Now you're ready to start using Notion for your organization and productivity needs. Enjoy your new application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.